In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve tasks in Asana. Approvals in Asana are a simple way to confirm that a piece of work is ready to move forward, and using them correctly helps your team stay aligned and keeps projects on track. I'll walk you through what to look for, where to click, and a few tips to make sure your approval is clear and confident. First, open the task that's been set up as an approval. You'll find it in your project or in your personal task list, just like any other task. Approval tasks are easy to spot. They're labeled as an approval and often include context like a brief description, attachments, or links for you to review. Click the task to open its details. This opens the task details pane on the right side of your screen, where you can see everything associated with the task in one place. Before approving, take a moment to review what's inside the task. Look over the description to make sure the requirements have been met. Check any attachments like documents, designs, or spreadsheets to confirm the final version is included. If there are subtasks, scan them to ensure any critical items are complete. This quick review helps you approve with confidence and avoids back and forth later. Now locate the approval controls at the top of the task details pane. This is the header area right above the description and activity. You'll see clear status options for the approval, including a green check mark that represents approve. It's designed to be obvious, so you can act without digging through menus. When you're ready, choose the status by clicking the green check mark to approve. As soon as you click, the task's status updates to approved. You'll see the change reflected right away, and the task will show who approved it and when. This creates a transparent record for your team and helps downstream work proceed without delays. A quick tip: if your team expects any notes with approvals, you can add a brief clarification in the task's description or activity stream before you approve, so the context is captured alongside the status. Also, make sure you have the right task selected, especially if you're reviewing multiple approvals at once, to avoid approving the wrong item. That's all there is to it. Open the approval task, look to the top of the details pane to find the controls, and click the green check mark to approve. With these steps, you'll keep your workflow moving smoothly and ensure everyone knows when work is officially signed off.